Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to tell you about a cleaning product that I use. An extra strength carpet odor eliminator. It's by Arm & Hammer, which is definitely a well-established brand. It is the #1 carpet DEO brand. It has long-lasting freshness. This is the extra strength carpet odor eliminator. I know that they have a pet fresh one too, which I don't know, I haven't tried that one, but I saw it afterwards and I was like, oh, I should have got that one because I do have a cat and she is the main reason that I purchased this product. I just saw it in the store and I was like, all right, I definitely need this. What I really like about it is I actually used this all over my living room last night around 7 o'clock, and now it's 12 o'clock the next day, and my whole house smells really good still. It smells like this carpet odor eliminator that I sprayed all over that I poured all over the carpet. So it's for tough odors from mold, mildew, and smoke. I'm not a smoker. I don't have mold or mildew in my house. I'm all about, I love when I come home and my house smells good, and I want my house to smell good to my guests. I do have a kitty, like I said. I don't let her outside, so I keep a litter box. I always keep it really clean, but I never want my guests to be able to smell it. I mean, I always on cleaning it and everything like that. I just like something that is an extra scent boost. Speaking of my cat, she keeps walking into my video. So yeah, so this is a vacuum booster. It loosens and helps lift up to 25% more dirt. I bought the 30-ounce 1 pound, so I bought 2 of these together. More cost effective to do it that way, and it came to 2 pounds altogether, so I think this should last a while. I mean, I definitely plan on using it at least once a week or just every time I vacuum. So Arm & Hammer baking soda is the original cleaning and freshening secret, and it has been for generations. Today, Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean Dirt Fighters with baking soda neutralizes even the toughest odors deep within carpets. See, we've added the power of OxiClean, which I've used on my laundry. Love it. Dirt Fighters to permanently eliminate odors plus loosen and help your vacuum lift up to 25% more dirt than vacuuming alone, leaving behind a pleasant fragrance for long-lasting freshness. Now, it doesn't clean stains or anything like that. I think it just helps in the process of vacuuming up dirt and particles and whatnot. It just helps to vacuum up more than it would without it. Directions for maximum odor elimination and dirt removal: sprinkle on entire carpet, wait 15 minutes, then vacuum thoroughly. For best results, use every time you vacuum, which I have been. Great on dirt and debris, but will not remove carpet stains. For especially stubborn odors, sprinkle liberally on carpet, wait 30 minutes, and vacuum. Do not use on wet or damp carpets. I especially like to use this around where the litter box is because my whole house is carpet. I leave a mat underneath, but sometimes when she comes out of the litter box, my cat, it'll kind of get on the floor and stuff. So I really make sure to use it around that area. And the room where I have the litter box, it smells really good. It smells just like this. For use, test hidden area of carpet for color fastness. Mix a half tablespoon and half cup water and pour small amount on carpet. Let dry, vacuum, and check carpet. I have a white carpet. It worked perfectly on this. Also use this product on upholstered furniture, automobile carpeting, garbage cans, and disposals. Not a bad idea. Got to use that on the garbage can. Garbage can always just seems to have an unpleasant odor no matter what I do. And use that in the car. That'll be great. Make the car smell really nice. Power eliminates odors and helps remove dirt. Lasting fragrance stays behind. The burst of floral delight will rid your home of even the strongest odors. The herbal freshness combined with hints of jasmine and citrus uses fragrances inspired by nature to absorb and eliminate the toughest smells. Look for these Arm & Hammer products to help keep your home odor free. I actually purchased this clump and seal litter, and I'm going to be doing a video on that too because it's the first litter that I literally don't smell it. I'm sure if you don't clean it every day, it's gonna smell, but I'm very much on I would purchase Tidy Cats and stuff like that, and it would still smell, but not with this clump and seal. So I'm very happy with Arm & Hammer products in general. I always use their products in my refrigerator and stuff like that, the little pack in the fridge with baking soda to just keep your fridge smelling fresh. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to sprinkle some on my carpet here so you guys can see it's a nice white powder. It smells so good. And this is what the top looks like. So it's an easy to pour spout. So I'm going to wait 15 minutes and then I'm just going to vacuum that up, and it's going to come out all clean and fresh. Used it last night, came completely out of the carpet. As you guys can see, it's very hard keeping a white carpet, especially with cats. I got like little stains on it that I try my best to clean, but having white in general is just not easy. So I love this product. I hope that you guys will use Arm & Hammer plus OxiClean Dirt Fighters to help clean your house, and I hope it keeps your house clean and smelling fresh just like it does for me. Thanks for watching, guys.